Alright, what's up guys, and welcome back to the channel. As you see in the last video, I don't know why I was so determined on saying 52 bus. I think that's actually a 58 Apache, and I don't know why I said 52. But as you can tell with that, we got a lot of projects that need done. And to bring more things in here, we gotta make some space. Oven's almost done. We gotta get this Cobra out of here. So let's waste no time and knock out these doors and the hood and stuff so we can get it on there and actually get those stripes laid. Guys, so still waiting on the ICP and the IPR, no update on that. However, the taillights I ordered well after that are already here, which is pretty sick. If you guys didn't see, I actually snagged a set of these on eBay. These are for the Wrangler, but 400 bucks. Like I said, when I first was gonna order all the LED stuff, the headlights are back there, turn signals are over there, and then I've got LED fog lights as well, because we're gonna convert that whole Jeep to like the LED package. I've spent a lot less money than I would if I ordered it from OEM, which is pretty sick. Now, I haven't exactly seen this done yet, so if this gets taken, this idea gets taken beforehand, you're welcome out there. But I'm gonna take these and I'm gonna paint these right here, this plastic, to match the Jeep. So it's gonna be gecko green around here. I'm not gonna tint these, it's really gonna throw off the look of the Wrangler. I haven't really seen anything done to these. Maybe a light smoke, I don't know, but yeah, these came in and I'm excited. This is the last piece to the puzzle. That means we're gonna start working on the Wrangler very shortly. Alright guys, it's actually the next day here. These are all, I mean, they're not fully cured because it's been so cold in here, but I mean, you could touch them. Still, like, you could put your fingernail in them. So these got to sit a little bit longer. They turned out pretty freaking sick. This color's just nuts, the way it shifts with all these metallics in it. But like I said, the underside of pretty much the trunk, the hood, and then the inside of these doors is done. So when this fully cures, I'm gonna be able to flip it around, flip those over, and flip these down. I'll put some rags here, but then I'll be able to spray the outside red, and then we can actually wet sand the entire car and get those stripes on it. So I can't wait for these to cure and get that done and taken care of, because I want this project to be done. However, we got some parts in that we ordered for the Super Duty. Well, this is all for the Super Duty. I don't remember what this is, that, and then this is my stainless elbow, so we can connect the pipe to the stack. So we're gonna open these real quick and actually see what we ordered in these boxes. Obviously doing the bend stuff, this was like super rusty on the truck, so I figured why not? Honestly, just 2 hose clamps, slide it back in there, and then I can finally bolt the filler neck on. Then I also got a new fuel cap. That one's green. I think the one on the truck's black, but yeah, perfect. So no more rust. That was the purpose of that truck, delete as much rust as humanly possible, including things like this. I feel like this was 20 bucks. So, and then this was our, this one was our little coolant thing. I didn't really want to, I don't know, I ordered it from Rock Auto. I didn't want to get like a Duralast one or something, or they did. The ones that came at AutoZone didn't come with a new ring and weird stuff. So I got this. We're still waiting on the thermostat because obviously that truck doesn't get hot. Just got off of a chat with the people I ordered all my stuff from. They said it'll be at the warehouse in like a day or two, and then it should ship. So I'm hoping that's actually the case, because I really need the ICP sensor and the IPR valve. believe this is 304 stainless. I kind of wanted one that had like a flange here and a flange here. Only issue with that is like trying to find them stainless, and most of them were like adapter pipes, and I really didn't want that. And then plus some of them were just elbows here to here, but I wanted one that was actually like a 90-degree with like pipe on each side. So this should actually hit the exhaust and should be pretty close to hit our bed. And we can usually just use like a coupler and a coupler here, and it should mount, which is pretty sick. But this is stainless, so we can actually get this thing sanded and polished out. This was the last piece we needed for the exhaust, and we have it now. So that's trash. These are good parts. All that for just this. Like I said, guys, we're waiting on parts here. We're waiting for that to fully cure before we can actually flip it over and recoat that for that. So in the meantime, I picked a color for the Bronco, and I'm actually going to test it full. I only shot a speed shape, but I'm going to shoot a full panel now. See how I like it, see how it like actually looks on a full panel, not just the speed shape. And hopefully it's the winner, because it looks good on the speed shape. I just want to see it full size. So it's right here. Hopefully you guys aren't seeing anything important, and let's test this out. Guys, we'll get to talking about that color in a second. I think that is the winner. I'm just having a tough time because obviously that is going to SEMA and it's just going to be crazy. But this is actually a balance. I ordered it. I got to make sure it's right before we actually get into doing this. Probably, hopefully, maybe tomorrow within the weekend. Wish it came with hardware. Probably because they're like, oh, use your use your factory hardware, which I don't have. Thank you. All right, let's go see if this fits on the truck. I don't know how I'm gonna ooh, it's cold. Secure this because I don't have any hardware. But I mean, I think it might be, but also not. That's so weird. It just shows all of that too. This is weird. I don't even know if this is for this truck. It should fit, but it's super weird that all this still shows. Maybe that's supposed to show so that cooler gets some air. I don't know, but I think we'll get it painted. All right, guys, I know you can't see this, but behind the black and white, this color is absolutely just wild. It's different. It's a little more mute, as you can see for me down there. It kind of definitely fades in and out, and it's very dark in some areas, but it looks really, really good. I think this is gonna be the winner. I'm gonna sit there and kind of do some research, because obviously I want the Bronco to be like top notch and perfect. I'm gonna see what clear coat's gonna work best for us. But I think this color in the sun is just gonna be a game changer. So that's the goal with that. And like I said, guys, we've been waiting on the ICP sensor and the IPR valve for this thing. I really want to get it done, and it's just like frustrating. It's also really cold and supposed to snow tomorrow. I might pull this in. What I need to do actually is, one, get all those parts we just ordered on. So like the filler neck here, filler neck, new fuel cap. Obviously this whole truck does need wet sanded and buffed. Caps need painted, tailgate needs resprayed. We do need to put a bed liner in this guy, so I'm trying to decide what we're gonna do tomorrow. I kind of want to finish the whole bed up, just get that knocked out, get these caps done, and I also want to get that valance painted and thrown on there some way or another, whether it's plastic plugs or bolts or whatever. We might get busy on the rest of that tomorrow instead of just waiting till everything shows up, because I just want to get that thing done. Yeah, like I said at the beginning of this video, I don't know why I said 52, but I believe this is actually a 58 Apache school bus. We're actually locating one more piece to the puzzle to get this to get this power stroke to go into there and everything to work properly. So when the weather warms up and it's like springtime, we'll get busy on this bus. I know a lot of you are excited, and I can't wait to bring that to you. But once this kit car is out of the shop and this pink truck is done, that's going in. We're starting that. We're starting the Bronco. We're starting both Wranglers. We're getting stuff done, guys. For now, it's literally just been a waiting game, and that sucks. Instead of just playing the waiting game with these parts nowadays, because who knows? They told me one day, but it could take so much longer. So might as well knock it out completely and just do the repairs whenever that stuff shows up. But if you guys enjoyed this video, shoot it a thumbs up. If you haven't been here before, please get down there, click subscribe. Drop me a comment while you're down there. Take care, and I will see you guys in the next one.